my good bird. Have no fear. We will find my bow tie, and we will build this house.
You promise?
Yes, I do. Cleaning is now my life. Nothing can stop me. Nothing at all. A story. Excuse me. There's a story happening in the jungle of Noor. To the Webuloscope! Thank you. We'll look through the old Webuloscope to the jungle of Noor. Let's go there. We'll travel as quick as the breeze to a jungle with all of its jungular trees. In the jungle of Noor, in a neat little yard, works Jane Kangaroo.
And I'm working too hard.
She's raking up leaves and picking up fruits and weeding out wrinkled grass plants by the roots. And her son, Junior Roo, is helping, I guess.
Woohoo! Although he is making things more of a mess, Junior.
Mother, these big piles are neat.
Woo!